Today I'll be playing Keep the Door Locked Anomaly. At least now I know what this thing was for. Because not gonna lie, the first time it did look kind of weird.
Welcome to our hotel. We have prepared a suite for you. Rest your...
Why do y'all keep like breaking my door down? Like, let's relax, please.
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left? So, keep your door locked tonight, yeah? Somebody's gonna knock. Don't open it. Just take a peek first. Peephole, the little camera, whatever. If they're talking weird, that ain't a person. Trust me. So yeah, don't let them in. Just chill. Wait it out. Oh, and keep the curtain closed. If the window starts tapping, go check it. Quick though, don't take your time. If power cuts out, get to the breaker and flip it. Fast. One more thing. Don't ever sleep alone. There's something in that bathroom.
Can I climb everything?
Wait for the others. Sleep together. It won't touch a full room. Stay in your room. Don't die. You'll be fine. Probably. Anyway, sleep tight. Kinda hope I see you in the morning.
Yeah, right. Oh, how about you too? Oh, so if I see them, they do not, it's not. Okay. Please save me. I saw what it did to the room next door. Sure, buddy. I was done out there. What if I just... Oh, I can't. Okay, let's relax. Huh? Please. 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 What? Yo. Yo. Yo, guys. I don't think I wanna get down from that bed. Oh.
You're still here.
Barely here.
Okay. That's great. Most folks don't make it past the first night. Good for you. So, look, same deal as last night. Door stays shut. Don't believe anybody out there. It gets worse the longer you stay, just so you know. But hey, you already know that, don't you? Anyway, I'm not gonna lie to you and say you'll be fine. But good luck tonight. Really.
Yo,
I mean it.
guys, I'm actually scared. Okay. No, I'm getting paranoid. How long you gonna be there? Open up. What a shame, you should have opened up. the I just need to hide until morning? What? Why does yo those whispers? I hope we get through the morning. Yo guys, am I cook? Day 3. Man, shut up. Okay, where's my plant? This guy again. Did I just miss that? Or yeah, I can't be doing all that. Why the fuck are you here? Okay, we need to relax on being on my door. I ain't gonna lie to you. If I'm not on the phone, those spiders could come out at any moment. They're very dangerous. Why does your hand look like that? We'll check the ceiling before we leave. Stay alert for the spider ceiling event. Bro, can you shut up? Okay, why is there more? He's back. Can you open the door for a second? I will find you. Let's relax.
Desk here. I just saw the anomaly at the window. It's heading your way. Keep an eye out.
Oh, there's too much going on. Oh, there's too much going on. Oh, nah. Guys, I think I might actually cry. No. I might actually cry. Wait.
Hey, your lights just tripped the breaker. You'll need to head out to the hall panel and reset it yourself. Go out and turn left and you will find the breaker box. I'm not doing it for you.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I think that's my anxiety in real life too. Okay. Please, 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 let's come down. I don't want to be alone tonight, please. Oh, I need you for it. I need you for tonight, gang. What? There's a lot of BS happening right now. Ah! I think I'm getting more and more paranoid.
Bruh.
Okay. At least I don't need to worry about this alarm anymore. I think I'm a little bit too paranoid. Okay. My phone battery is dead. I need help, but could I sleep here tonight? Sure. Okay, I'll stay up really until morning. So, I don't think I can do this anymore. Please make it end. Make it stop, please. Why is there always like trash on the floor and stuff?
There's a guy with a knife wandering in the hotel. Make sure you turn off the light when you go to sleep.
Wait. Why am I in this hotel, actually? No, actually, why am I here? Let me see you in your room tonight. You're not late, City morning. Actually, I kind of want to do psych quests. Another video doing those psych quests. Oh, please. Stay hungry. Okay. No. I accidentally pressed lockdown. Oh, my girl's lying on the floor like there's no tomorrow. No, I accidentally. Stop. I'm gonna die. Would you let me stay until the sun comes up? I'm scared to go back out. No, because like I pressed it by accident. Bro. Anywho, I knew that would happen one day, bro. No. Okay. We got this, guys. We got this. Sorry for not being Peter, but I have a new product that can introduce something. But now it's just prototype. Will you try it? Sure. Science required. Oh! Yo, pizza man, I'm so sorry. I promise I'll be careful next time. Please, please. I still have been running around the fact that Bro, I'm so dead. Such a cutie. Okay. Please open up. Something is moving in there. You mean you? I almost opened the door. Yeah, I think my sanity is. Bro, what? I think my sanity is decreasing in real life. Like, no way. Wait. I don't do well with whispers, guys. Wait. Can you spare? Sure, buddy, sure. Y'all, I'm going crazy. If only this could give me sanity, bro. What?
Hey, I think there might be something translucent walking around in the hallway. Keep an eye out.
Thank you. What do you mean by? Oh, yeah. It did mean translucent. Reception isn't picking up. Your room is the only one. I'm already losing my sanity, bro. What do you want me to do? All I can do now is bed this cat. Okay. I'm not fully tripping yet. I have a new phone. Man, frick you. Fewer survival instinct. Okay. So this thing is getting dumb. I do not like this. Please let me rest for my permission. Not that door. Yo, when can I sleep? I've been up, bro. Kitty? Oh. Bro, why is this? Kitty. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Oh, yeah, I'm dead, guys. Hey, man. Hey, I tried to restart, you know?
Hey, are you still alive?
No?
I was a little bit worried when I saw it on camera.
No,
That
I'm
thing will
not
show up at
alive.
my side any time now. Stay safe.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I might need this cake.
Med.
Yummy.
Oh! Saved by a cake is insane. Yo, guy, I promise you it wasn't my intention last time. Yes, I need it. Ooh. Oh my. Ew. Have a heart. I'm not one of them. Yeah, you are. I will find you. Let's relax. Oh. It's on the camping room floor to floor. I almost opened the door, guys. I think next one on this will be experiences, because like I'm really curious. Dang, just let me sleep. Okay. You look like you're up to something. Yo, guys, please. Can I stay? Can we stay? I don't know about that. Open the door. How long am I gonna be standing here waiting for someone? Finally, thank you. I don't want to be alone to protect me and come in. Thank you for. No problem, man. No problem. Okay, you need to relax. Cause something about you. Oh, Kitty changed place. Um. Yeah. Okay. Why do I have to pay to decode stuff? My journal says key to our room, and we heard something. Think you must stick her into the morning. Day 7, day 8. Okay, guys, we're almost there. Um. Um. Yo, why is stuff so difficult? Yeah, I can't be doing this. Bro, eat your. These are so annoying. Let me get some sleep. No. I'll come back later. Yo, I can't be doing this. This is stressful, bro. What? Like, get your. Thank you. Yo. Why is there more activity than last time? Like, I can't be doing this. This is not good at all for my sanity. This is not good at all for my sanity. Oh my. I'm begging, open the door before we come back. I hope we get through into the morning. I hope I get through with my sanity. Let's just breathe. Um, okay, so why is it on? Hopefully my storage will survive. I'm stressing out, bro. Why is a game stressing me out? That's a real question. No, no, that's you. That's like a real question. Why is a game stressing me out? Like, I don't understand the concept about a game stressing someone out. Okay, so this is where I messed up last time because I double pressed that thing. No, I was stuck. Okay, okay, please survive, please survive, please survive. Okay, I only need a comment, but come on in. So as you guys can see there, I did not win the game, but also my recording stopped, so like I needed space on my phone somehow. But yeah, I did not win this, but there's also a lot of thing I see I can do with this. So I'll probably do another part where I try to win it, but also another part where I just figure out the different things inside the game. Plus, the update just came out today and stuff, so yeah, might play that update too. But yeah, we'll see next time. Bye.